good morning. Ayan, sorry at medyo late na yung video greetings ko sa iyo, but syempre, happy birthday sa iyo. Ayan. More birthdays to come, more candles to blow. Mabuhay ka hangga't gusto mong hugawan ka. Ayun lang, wala na akong masasabi. Stay beautiful, stay healthy, stay what you are, Auntie Miss D. Ayan, God bless sa iyo lagi, no? And sana kung ano man yung mga desire mo sa buhay mo is matupad mo. Ayun lang. And syempre, once again, this is Toto Genly, no? Na nag-iiwan sa iyo na naman ng isang kasabihang walang kasabihan. Happy birthday lang. Happy lang, walang ending. Ayan. Ner, great man Nero. Happy birthday, Miss Dio. Ready? Ayaw ng kasama ko. Ayan. Happy birthday again, Miss D. God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Miss Ding, bebe. Naway bibigyan ka pa ng mahabang buhay ni Papa God. More birthdays to come. Good health and guidance and protection kung saan ka man mapadpad o maroon. And always remember that your friends here on the Soundcheck 69 is still here for you, ready maghinugawan sama ni Uncle sa atong mga uncle na mga titi. And that's all. God bless atin lahat.
Hello po, Tita Miss D. Binabati po kita ng happy birthday. Mag-iingat ka palagi. God bless po.
Ano nga bang dapat?
Yun lang po.
Sasabihin kong ako.
Happy birthday ulit.
Ikaw ang tunay na. O magkakilala talaga tayo, nagpupunwa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, happy birthday sa nag-iisang Miss D. Ayan. Ang tanging hiling ko lang para sa'yo is good health, long life, and more success pa sa mga plano mo sa buhay. Ayan, laging mag-iingat, lalo sa health, laging ingatan ng health, at syempre ang beauty. Ayan. Again, happy birthday, and I love you so much, and I'm so happy to have a friend like you. I love you. Happy birthday.
I've known you for so long.